Hello, students. In this video, we are going to explore prepositions. Let's learn together. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other words in a sentence. They often indicate location, direction, time, or relationships between different elements in a sentence. Now let's learn the types of prepositions. First is simple prepositions. These prepositions consist of just one word. They help to show location, time, and direction. For example, above the towering cliffs, a solitary eagle soared majestically against the backdrop of the vivid sunset. Then, compound prepositions. These prepositions are made up of two or more words. For example, the ancient artifact was carefully displayed in front of the illuminated exhibit. Next is double prepositions. These prepositions combine two simple prepositions. For example, that wild rabbit darted through into the mysterious passage. Another is participle prepositions. These prepositions are formed using words ending in ing or ed. For example, considering her tough time, she's up and about in no time and doing just fine. Lastly, we have prepositional phrases. These phrases include a preposition, its object, and any modifiers. For example, the grocery store across town has a great produce selection. Now it's your turn to answer. Which type of preposition is by means of? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 8 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.